Hello everyone. In this video we're going to show you how to draw and extrude surfaces in VisualCAD Many times you will have to add some geometry to facilitate the machining portion of your project. So what I have on the screen here is a water bottle model in VisualCAD and we're going to program this part on a 4-axis machine or CNC machine. So I've got the model on the screen, which is surfaces, imported surfaces. So what we need to do is in 4-axis, you need to make sure that the part model remains attached to the stock during machining. And to do that, you need to have some part geometry that extends out past the part on each end, which connects to the uncut stock material. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a circular surface running through this part file out past this perimeter right here, which is our roughing perimeter. Okay, so we're going to go up to, in VisualCAD, we're going to go up to first we're going to draw a circle and then we're going to extrude it. So we're going to go to curve modeling. We're going to use circle on point. So we'll pick that, and for the actual center point of the circle, we're going to make sure our center object snap is selected. We're going to pick on this diameter right here to pick the center point, and you'll see that the circle is being drawn or dragged as we move the cursor. So you'll also notice that the plane in which the circle is being drawn depends on which view you have the cursor in. So we move it to the top view, the circle's in the top view. We move it to the right side view, the circle's in the right side view. And for the isometric view, it defaults to the top view. So we're going to go ahead and just drag it. It doesn't have to be exact as long as it's less in diameter than this perimeter here, this diameter. So we're just going to drag it out and put it right there. So you'll see that it was located right here. Escape, select that. So there's our circle. So what we want to do is, actually another one down here, let's delete that for now. So let's move this circle down to the origin before we extrude it, okay? So we're going to go ahead and select the circle, okay? With the circle selected, you'll see that the transform tab is visible. Without it selected, it goes away. You don't see it. So select it. You see the transform tab. We're going to select the transform tab. We're going to move point to point. So we'll select that. So for the start point, we're going to go ahead and pick the center point of that circle. So now you see the circle is moving. Okay. And we're going to go down here. Okay. We want it to be at the origin. So we're going to type in for the 2 point, we're going to type in 0, 0, 0, and we're going to press enter. Okay, so that moves the circle to the world origin. So now what we want to do is we want to extrude that to create our tube through the part. So we're going to go ahead and select the circle first, and then we're going to go to the solid modeling tab. We're going to pick extrude. And you'll see that if you move the cursor, you'll see that the tube is being extruded. Okay, so now this tube only needs to extend out past this rectangular perimeter, because this is the area that we're actually cutting. Everything outside of this on each end is stock material. So you just want to make sure it goes out past the perimeter there. Okay, and then we right click to turn off the command. So let's look at this in the isometric view. You'll see that you have that cylinder that extends out past this rectangular perimeter. So that's all you need to do. Thank you.